Good morning everybody, welcome back to our distribution channel. Today in this video we are going to install a sectionalizer slash load break switch into the existing distribution network, which the switch will act as a sectionalizer for a radial section of the network over there, as you can see. But first we need to modify this existing construction into a double dead-end suspension. The line has been de-energized and the crew remove any excess electrostatic discharge before installing grounding. Grounding installed, the crew begins striping the wire. Before we proceed, let's take a look around the equipment. First, we have disconnecting switch, which acts as a visual indicator during maintenance. Then we have suspension type insulator, which acts as a double dead-end connection. Strain clamp, which hold the wires onto the suspension. Cross arm, ball band, and brace steel, which together make up the double dead-end construction. And vacuum type load break switch or sectionalizer. Surge arresters, pole mounted bracket for the switch, the ground crew prepares all the equipment. Now they are dismantling all the phase wire from the insulators and removing the in-post type insulator to be replaced with suspension type insulator. The crew modifying the existing cross arm to accommodate a double dead-end suspension by adding additional cross arm. The suspension type insulator, complete with its accessories being lifted up. The ground crew prepares the other cross arm for disconnecting switch to be mounted on. Attaching the brace steel, and now all the suspension insulator has been installed on the cross arm. The crew holds the middle phase wire using hoist and then cut the wire into two pieces. Meanwhile, the other crew installing disconnecting switches directly below the double dead-end construction. The ground crew prepares the sectionalizer switch and then lift it up to be installed on the pole directly below the disconnecting switches. This switch utilizes a direct mounting type bracket, so it should be very easy to install. The double dead-end suspension construction has been finished, and the ground crew prepares all the jumpers needed for the connection to be completed. We use insulated cables for this jumper for extra protection against birds or wild animal. The crew installing the first jumper from the feeder line down to the disconnecting switch. And crimps the connection using hydraulic hand press. After the upper jumper finish, the crew begins to work on the second jumper from the disconnecting switch down to the load break switch. Installation has been finished, all the jumper has been connected, and then the switch is ready to be energized. Hopefully, this switch will intercept any fault occur downstream. That's you have it guys, the installation process of Sectionalizer Switch. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.